Here I have Samsung Galaxy J7 2017 and let me show you top tricks for the following device. So at the very beginning let me show you the device maintenance. So all you have to do is open the settings, scroll down to device maintenance, and here you can accomplish a couple of very useful features. For example, you can optimize your device by choosing the optimization key. You can perform the scanning of the phone by using the device security and choosing scan phone. Now the device is looking for any risk, viruses or threats. You may also go back and here you can choose the memory and you can clean the memory. Let's wait a few seconds, choose clean now, and let's free up your memory to speed up your device. So that's all you have to do right here, just by using the device maintenance security. Let's go to a second trick. So let me show you how to create a floating camera button. It's a very useful feature. Let's open the camera right here, the camera app. Let me tap a couple of times next. Let's choose the settings icon. Here you have to scroll down and here you can find the floating camera button. So you can add an extra camera button that you can move anywhere on the screen. So it's very useful when you would like to take some selfie or just use your camera in your own way. So let's place your floating camera button wherever you want and now you can use it. That's it. So let's go next, let's go for the third trick. Let me show you how to activate the multi window, so how to use the multitasking window. Let's open the list of all applications, choose settings, let's choose the advanced features right here and find the multi window. Let's enable the multi window by using the split screen view action. And now all you have to do is use the following key, the left LED key. Let's hold down this key for a couple of seconds and that's it. Now you've got the multi-window. You can, for example, choose app list, use the calendar, and here use the settings or whatever you want. If you would like to quit the multi-window, let's just scroll down right here and that's it. So this is the multi-window. Now let's go for the next trick, so the one-handed mode. Let's go back right here in the list of settings, choose the advanced features. Find the one-handed mode and as you can see you can enable the one-handed mode just by using the following switcher, and now you can, for example, use the gesture to switch it on. So let's swipe diagonally and this is the one-handed mode. As you can see you can use the small screen, or let me do it again, let me use the one-handed mode and you can also use the button, so you can press 3 times on the screen, three times the home key to enter the one-handed mode. But if you would like to quit the one-handed mode, let's use some outside area. And now let me show you how to enable this mode by using the button, the home key. So let's press 3 times the home key and this is the one-handed mode. So basically that's it. Now let's go for the last trick, so the blue light filter. So let's find settings. Here you have to choose the display. Let's find and select the blue light filter, and you can reduce the eye strain by limiting the amount of the blue light. So let me click it and let me choose turn it on, and as you can see now you can use this mode and you can protect your eyes. What's more, you can also turn on a schedule, so you can, for example, switch the blue light from sunset to sunrise, or you can choose some custom scheduled. And you can also choose the opacity right here to customize yourself. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.